My Kawasaki. Oh my god. It's dusty as fuck.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Okay, we are at 51. Have to wait till 60, right? Oh, she is not happy. Anyway, she's going to get new oil soon. So right now I'm going to get a brand new oil and new filter for her. And she already have a new spark plug, so and I need to wash it, clean my chain, do few maintenance work, and get ready for the weekend ride. So I might show you this weekend ride. Tracking control is kicking on. So I have to go to we have to go to industrial area. Tires are not warm, tires are not warm. Yeah, I know, I remember. I have to be careful. This is not, I'm giving him 5% throttle right now. And it's jerky all over the place. Doesn't like to go slow speed. My belt, okay, keep it tight. So I will go collect the oil. And I think company is closed right now, so I will collect the filter in morning, and then I will go to, yeah, that's it. Oh, I have to go to my friend's house to collect my tools he borrowed for his bike. Let's make the tire warm up. Oh man, my bag is going to annoy me the whole way. I don't like to drive cars that much. This is one of my favorite roads. Roundabout brake, roundabout brake. I can hear my chain. It's making noise. Oh yeah, and again, it's not going to warm up more than 66, 65-ish because it's winter time. So it's going to chill around 65, 66. Downshift, 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 downshift. What the fuck you are doing, man? Why the fuck they are changing the lane in the middle of the road? So what oil I like it for my Kawasaki, it's to 300B, and the grade I use it for 1040. Recommended is, yeah, for Kawasaki it's 1040 mostly, I think. I don't like to use 540, it's a little bit thin for my taste, and it's a desert area, and of course right now the wages are very good, 66, 35. I can run 540, but after a month or so the wage is going to increase like fuck. So I don't like to make my oil thin and lose the oil thickness. So in the heat, so I always use 1040 and tried a lot of oil. Or not on this bike, my old Kawasaki. So on this bike I only used the Mutsu 300. This time I used 7100, which is a fucking piece of shit oil for this bike. It's giving me some vibration, which I don't like it. Okay, we have to sit now. Why the fuck you block the lanes, man? Some people wants to turn. Oh, I should have turned it from that side. Turn it from front. There. Oh, he's giving me space. So I like to use room. One second. I like to use more than 300V on this bike, and I didn't like it the 700. It's shaky. It's making I'm getting the feeling of vibration. It's not because of the engine, for 100% sure. I tried before 700. I know it gives me some vibration because it's a race bike. It's 60. There's a camera on the signal. I like to do that. Let's take a U-turn and we reach some. So I don't know what's different. Some east or something. It's giving me vibration, and my chain is giving me vibration right now. I'm going to cut you off. Sorry. It's been a long time since riding 2-3 weeks without lower. Now it feels very weird to go back on the lowering. I'm sitting so low, man. Shit. Oh man, it's hard to get used to this. Everything is different on the street. I'm feeling so low. But the bike is even more powerful because of the lowering. That's for sure. And I lost the braking also. I have to remember that. I don't have that much brake now. Fucking annoying. Okay guys, I recorded perfect video for you guys, but my camera, I'm trying new camera as I mentioned in my old videos, and my camera memory got corrupted and I lost my half of the footage. It was a very cool video. Fuck man, shit happens, you know. So maybe next time I will record how to change the oil, you know. Anyways, it's a life. What to do? Okay guys, we are done, and if you like it, please hit the like button, subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Peace out. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. They are the ones who destroyed my fucking seat, as you can see it. Say hi. How are you? How are you? How are you? You want to carry me? You want to carry? You want to carry? Oh, she's cute, huh?